In Chapter 8, I am spray painting and hand painting nearly all the rest of the parts needed for the Porsche 911 Carrera US-version build. I will describe in each video what color I am applying and on what parts this process is being done on. Note, in all videos where I am spraying a color, I am spraying at 28 to 30 psi using a Vega 2000 airbrush fitted with a 0.5mm or medium tip. I am starting with spraying TCP-013 aluminum on the rear wheels. Note, I am doing both the US and UK version at the same time since they are identical. Also, the front wheels were done the same way. The rear bumpers for both the US and UK versions are being painted with TCP 397 metallic iron. I don't understand why the instructions call for this color when the body is painted any other glossy or metallic color. If anyone can enlighten us, please respond. What would be the rubber bumper parts for the US and UK rear bumpers are being sprayed TCP-010 gloss black on all the parts and on both sides. There is a small section of the rear bumper that requires TCP 805 flat black to be applied. I am using a very fine paintbrush to apply that color. A very tiny dot of TCP 800 flat white is being put on both rubber sections that will be cemented onto the rear bumper. You can see a tiny bump in the part where you put that white dot. The intent of the dot is to represent the light bulb that shines on the license plate at night. Working on the rear bumper, I am cementing the license plate for the US version onto the center of that bumper. Be sure to take the US version as the UK version is longer. Next to cement in place are the two rubber bumper extensions. Be sure that the white dots face the license plate and that the extensions snap in place to the underside of that bumper. You know the position is correct when you hear that snap. I am hand painting TCP-010 gloss black onto the spokes of the hubs. The front wheels are being done first, although the difference between the front and the rear wheels is not obvious to me. The rear set of wheels is completed next. TCP 570 Porsche Guards Red is being sprayed on the entire exterior of the body and the hood for the engine compartment. Make sure you paint all the way down to the bottom of the body and the louvers in the hood. This color is designed to dry to a high gloss finish, as is the majority of all of our automotive exterior and engine colors. We chose Guards Red as it seemed to have been the most popular color for the US market. Many other colors for the Porsche Carrera have been added to our product line, and a 6-color set, number 10202, is being released in October, which features the Guards Red and several metallic colors. After masking the body with our TCP 900 masking paper, I am spraying the interior with 2 colors. The first color being applied is TCP 433 Matte Black for the headliner, and set this aside to dry. Since I need to spray TCP 397 metallic iron on the rest of the interior of the body and the underside of the hood of the engine compartment, I placed our masking paper over the matte black headliner and the exterior of the hood. I then sprayed the TCP 397 metallic iron. TCP 010 Gloss Black is being sprayed onto various parts, including the wiper blades, rubber bumpers for the front bumper, license plate attachment, etc. Note how the stock 2-ounce bottle fitted with a Badger adapter easily attaches to the Vega 2000 airbrush. Turn the parts as needed to ensure complete coverage. Repeat this process for the second side. TCP 397 metallic iron is now sprayed on the front bumper, side mirrors, and the front headlight enclosures. Repeat this process for the second side. Make sure you spray inside the headlight enclosures, as there is a clear headlight lens to cement in place on the front of these enclosures. TCP 013 Gloss Aluminum is sprayed on some tiny parts that will become the mirrors to be cemented into the side mirror holders. Note, I did all 4 mirrors, 2 for the US and 2 for the UK versions. I did both sides so I would not have difficulties placing them into the holders. This completes Chapter 8. If you have any questions about techniques explored in this video, or general questions about this build, please post your questions in the comments section below.